Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to study last minute effectively step by step. Start by identifying the highest value topics and focus there. Set clear goals for short bursts and use a timer to enforce focus. Keep materials simple and digital distractions off. Use active recall and quick practice tests to lock in facts. Drink water and move briefly between sessions to maintain momentum. Use targeted active techniques to turn short study time into real learning. Prioritize practice questions and flashcards that force recall rather than passive reading. Summarize each topic aloud in 1 or 2 clear sentences to cement meaning. If possible, teach a friend or explain to an imaginary student to reveal gaps. Cycle through quick reviews and immediate practice to convert recognition into lasting recall. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is a dependable companion for study sessions with leak-proof design and easy one-handed sipping, perfect when you're racing the clock. It keeps water handy during short breaks and helps you stay sharp. Check the description for the link and extra deals. Now let's get back to the video. Structure your study with strict time blocks to maintain energy and focus. Use 25-minute sprints with short 5-minute breaks and a longer break after 4 cycles. Reserve a final 1-hour session to synthesize notes and target remaining weak areas. Keep snacks light and avoid heavy meals that cause sluggishness. Short movement breaks and deep breaths help reset concentration quickly and reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.